Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm going to be putting together a house that I got. I got it last year for Black Friday and it was like $40. So after our dinner, the hubby and I decided to put the house together. So I'm going to let you watch as we build the house, and then I'll come on back after everything is finished.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here's how the house turned out. I mean, it's pretty cute, and it is for like a Chelsea doll or a Barbie extra mini or any 6-inch doll, really. I'm going to use it for my Chelsea dolls as a little clubhouse. So let me know what you think about this house in the comments down below. And the way I was able to get it Black Friday, I had some Kohl's cash. I got it from Kohl's and it was on sale. So I ended up getting it for $35. I checked my statement, $35. So not too bad for this little house. Drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Ring that notification bell. Till the next time, guys. Bye.